Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the GEAUPASE solar grill light. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get the box open here, I'll show you all the parts and pieces that come with it. USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Obviously a little solar capability here. Tear this off. There is an instruction manual as far as kind of how to use it, how to get it onto the bar, all that stuff. Power button, wow, really nice and bright. Different levels, so a low, a high, or high, a low. And then of course we'll charge through this port right there. And it looks like this will kind of just slide right in here. And then we'll just kind of remove by pulling that trigger. And this, I believe, is going to just let me go and put it onto the handle, and then we'll be able to kind of tighten it and then just kind of screw this in so that it won't. That'll just keep tightening and loosening and stuff like that. So until it comes off. So we'll go ahead and show you what it looks like installed and take it from there. Also, please note this little rubberized piece to kind of help keep it fit really nicely. And again, this just kind of slides right through once on. So we'll take it from there. So I got to do this while it's kind of light, just because otherwise you wouldn't really see how it's laid on or anything like that. But you can still tell that it straps on really nicely to just about any grill. Now this is a Weber, but you know, it literally just straps on perfectly for just about anything. And then all you do is turn that on, and so you can see just how bright that is. It actually lights it up, and forgive my grill or ugly grill, but you can kind of tell that if you just look back here, for example, how much it lights it up. So even in the light you can see the difference, which is amazing. So I'm so excited about this because it's pretty low profile. I'll be able to put the cover on top of the grill and still like be able to utilize this thing without any concerns. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.